Across global manufacturing, the skill gap is growing. But what does that really mean for manufacturers? I am Monika, and in today's Monika Explains, we will look at how to bridge this gap and keep teams competitive. Manufacturers around the world face a daily challenge: a shortage of skilled technicians and engineers. New technologies are arriving faster than workers can be trained. The result is lost productivity, higher turnover, and growing pressure on remaining workers. The solution is efficient training that develops skills step by step. With structured learning, companies shorten the time to competence, standardize knowledge across sites, and accelerate employee readiness. With BizLink online training, technicians and engineers gain consistent skills, managers get real-time insights into workforce readiness, and organizations benefit from faster onboarding and measurable progress. The payoff is clear: fewer mistakes on the line, stronger employee retention, and a workforce that can adapt quickly to new technologies. Is your company preparing its workforce for the age of automation? Build the future-ready workforce with BizLink online training.